Morning guys, welcome back. Daily vlog number 7. So, what we're doing today? Well, today we're going to be making a new fire barrel. As you know, winter's getting in, nights are getting darker, colder, and people have said I need to do more cooking in my videos. Now, I do like cooking in the van, but I also like cooking out of the van. Nice big fire pit. My old one is a bit low and a bit small, so I'm upgrading. What am I upgrading to? Let me show you. We're upgrading to this little beauty. Washing machine drum. So I was down at a friend's the other day and came across this on his scrap pile. He was about to crush it and I was like, whoa, hang on a minute. Got a good use for that. So it's already got breathing holes in the bottom. Right, the only problem is it's a bit big because I have a limited space to put it in. Let me show you. So this is where I want this to live. The only problem is, right now, it's about 4 inches too big. Americans love measurements, don't they? Anyway, so I need to take about 4 inches off the top. 4 inches. But I like this lid. So the problem is, I'm going to take this off, but then re-drop it down. And then I need to make some detachable legs for it. And wonderful, it's just started raining. Awesome. Right, let's crack on and see what we end up with. British weather. Gotta love it, aren't you? Anyway, while I get wet, I'm going to tell you, these 3 studs are actually for the fans. I need to take them off first before I cut it. I think I'm going to cut it down that line there. But it's been wearing while it's been spinning. I cut down that line and I should be able to sink the top bit into the bottom bit or overlap it somehow. That's the plan. Might work, might not. Right, let's get these off. It's a good job I've not up your elsewhere today, isn't it? Tell you what though, I bet that waterfall's impressive today. Kinda wish I was up there now. Anyway. There we go. Awesome. It's getting worse. I'm going to need to shut my door. My bag's getting wet, but I can't put it back in yet. If I know the British weather, it should stop anytime soon. We usually have a big heavy downpour and it clears. You can see all of the clouds over there. Anytime soon. It's going to be good if I just click my fingers and it'll be stopped. You're expecting a cut to then, weren't you? But it's not going to happen. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon, so I've just cleared a bit of space in the garage. I've got my bumper stand actually. What we use for painting bumpers up. Perfect. So all I need to do now is cut down that line. He says. Let's have a go. so now what we need to do is make that piece fit on top of that piece. And the way we do that is by putting a cut down there and down there, so I open the sides enough for it to slide over. He says. Simple. We don't need to go all the way then because it's not going all the way over. There you go. So I actually went inside, not outside. I didn't think of that one. And there, a stunning little new fire barrel. I just need to trim the edges off now so there's no sharp edges. Right, before we make the legs, let's see if she fits. I'm pretty certain she will. Oh yes. So I can actually make it bigger if I wanted, but I don't want to. That's actually a really decent size for me, though. Doesn't need to be too big, does it? It's not like we're warming up a neighbourhood. Okay, we just do some cooking on. But yeah, I'm well chuffed with that. Tucked in nicely. Right. Right, let's make some legs. Right, so for the legs, I've actually got these lengths of steel which I found lying around. And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to make them so the legs are about 6, 7 inches, well, that's not even 7 inches, let's be honest, about 9 inches. About 9 inches off the ground with a piece above there so that I can put some bar across to make a little Dutch oven kind of thing going on. Just so I can hang pans above it and stuff like that. So what I need to do is put a couple of holes in there and make it so that these slide on. So I've got these little flathead, so I'll put a nut on. And basically the legs are going to be quick release. I'll put that in there. Right. You get your leg and then it just clips on. He says. Like that. So it should just lock in place. In theory. So, yeah. You can actually have it adjustable height. So what we need to do now is put them to. Right, so got all your studs in place, and in theory, if it works, should just hook on, slide down. Oh, even. So the sat on it like that. Pretty good, isn't it? Right, I'll get the other two done, and then we'll see how it looks. Right, so I've got all the pegs in place, all the legs work, which we'll see in a minute. All I need to do now is put some breathing holes in the side. Let's crack on and put some breathing holes in the side. I'm going to make it a little bit special. You'll see. Well, that took a lot longer than expected. Right, put the legs on, light it up, see what happens. Awesome. Don't look bad, that, does it? So we've got the legs, it's off the ground, it's nice and solid. And then I can put some bars across there to hang my Dutch oven on. Sweet. And you can actually raise the barrel up, have it as high or as low as you want. Pretty cool. Right, let's load it up and see what we end up with. Awesome. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'd say that's pretty cool. And what do you think? Jungle's travels. Yeah. Right, so first meal to go on it. A little bit of curry left from last night. Ordered a takeaway for my tea to treat myself. When I got back from work, I was knackered. I couldn't be bothered cooking. It's good to treat yourself once in a while, isn't it? So, hopefully, tin foil shouldn't burn. It's hot. Well, it looks like the curry's going alright, so see if we can warm up a cup of coffee as well. Oh, see, you can't beat a bit of campfire cooking, can you? Even if it is last night's curry. And that's hot. Perfect. Campfire Joe. Right. And it looks like the curry's hot. So obviously the tin foil is going to be too hot to hold, so we'll put the curry back in. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. There you go. The campfire du Piazza. Right. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Say thanks for watching. I'm going to finish my curry, enjoy it, and watch me fire from the new barrel. And Rob. were impressed with my fire barrel. Next time I cook on it, I'm going to make a Dutch oven under a stew. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Daily vlog number 7. Adios kids.